SMS is one of the most powerful tools a company can use to enhance their outbound marketing efforts. Hi, I'm Willem Osich, and welcome to another episode of BotSplash TV. The average open rate of a text message is 99%, with 97% being read within the first 15 minutes of delivery. Short Message Service, or SMS for short, is a more exclusive and personal form of communication. A recipient can get a message on their phone in the palm of their hand, and they can immediately engage with the messenger. SMS is short and sweet, 160 characters or less to convey a message, and it doesn't have to be more than that. It can be as simple as a call to action or a reminder. And so it's no wonder why businesses are using SMS through their marketing departments to send out text messages to a large number of their customers with simple yet effective messaging. I'm Willem Osich, and thank you for watching BotSplash TV.